When I'm starting as a graphic designer, before I used to think that to get images from platforms like Google, that you don't get high quality pictures. But in this video, I want to show you how you can generate a professional high quality, how you can get a professional high quality images from pictures. And I'll also be showing you another website that you can get quality pictures from. On my previous video, I've mentioned you can get videos from Freepik, from Shutterstock, and many other websites like that. But in this video, I want to show you how you can get high quality images, even with Google. You can get quality images with Google. So here's a random stuff here. So you see professional businessman image. So the first thing you need to do first is you let the page load. You can leave it on your desktop site like this, or you can leave it like this. So whichever website you are doing. So you come right here, you say I'm zooming this one. Let me look at the one I can download here. So okay, I like this one. So if you come right here and you click on this like this, and you click on download. So let's download it. And if you come right here like this and wait for the page to load, you can see other options there, right? So you can see right here. So if I click on this image, you make sure you give it time for the image for the pixels to load very properly. You can see other images here too. So if you want to download this image now, you long press on it like this and you click on download. There's something I want to show you. So there's this another image here. So I like this one too. If I click on download, and if I also click on this like this, if I click on the image and it's pop up like this, I wait for it to load. So once it is load, it's fully load, I download it now. So you can download as many images as possible here. So you just come right here and you come to your download options. So this is it. You can see the images I download. You can see the difference. Let me show you this one. See this first one. See how it looks. See how poor it looks. So the first thing you want to do when you want to download images is that you make sure the page load. You don't just search for something and you download it. Another thing is that you click on the image for it to zoom very well, for it to show very well. So by then you'll be able to download a quality image. You can see how sharp this is now. You can see this is good for design. Okay, you can see this is good for design. So compared to this, you can see how pixelated it is. So this is how you can get professional images. Let's see this one too. You can see how it looks. So if you want to download images from Google, you make sure you open the image, let the image fully load, let the page fully load, then you are able to do it. Let's see this as well. You can see very quality. This is good enough to design. So I want to also show you another website to design. It's popular already, but for beginners you might need it. So I will come to Pinterest. One thing I love about this website is that you can get images, you can get backgrounds, you can get different. You can see right here. So any images you are looking for. So let's search for church background, for example. Church background. This is just for example. You can see even with this kind of background, you already know what you want to design. See, Okay, it's trying to open the app. So you can see, even with this kind of background, you already know what you want to do. You can see professional background. You can use this one for bed design. This one is popular. You can see this is also popular. This is popular. You can see there's so much you can do with this particular website I'm sharing with you. If you are beginners, I know this is a big win for you. So to download, you just click on the image, then you just click on this 3 dots up here. Once you click on it, it's because the other backgrounds are still. So once you click on, you see download image, just click on download image, and you download the image for free. So I think the network is kind of poor, so yes, it's doing its job. So you can see beautiful backgrounds. You can also use this for birthday designs. I have made several videos on how to manipulate backgrounds, but this one are already manipulated for you. So you can just start inputting your text and do some little tricks so it doesn't look generic or something. So you can see these beautiful things. So this is a beautiful design and a beautiful background as well. You can see. You can see this is beautiful. I will also. So that's just this, guys. You can come to this website. You can use Google. You can use Pinterest. You can use Freepik. I have videos on Freepik on how to use Freepik to get backgrounds, but you can see you have access to, and we also have AI. Maybe in my next video I'll be making a video on how to use AI to get professional backgrounds that you also will enjoy. So I don't want to go much into it. Just come here and search for everything you want to search. And Freepik also has this AI option that you can use to generate images. So this is pretty much like is a lot. You never run out of images from this website I'm trying to show you.